Welcome back everybody, down a garage layout, and just finished the overhaul of this R.56 Baltic tank, and to say it's come out pretty well is well, it does look nice. I'm well pleased with the way that turned out. Showing about the cab, I was going to try and glue that, but I thought no, you know what, I'm just going to leave it. It's come unstuck and I don't really want to force it down, might cause more damage. So I wonder if anybody's thought about actually making a light kit for this, because I reckon that would look pretty cool if it had directional lights on it. I don't know if you could get a bulb that small, I don't know. If there's anything on the market, I haven't really researched it. So if someone's done one, has anybody done one? Made it so the lights light up? Because obviously you can't get into these about. You have to make a new fitting. It might be a bit of a challenge. Maybe Derek, you can put that put that on your do list. Because of the splendid work you do. We'll run this on the layout at some point, but I'm going to get those these cars done first, or fans, box fans done. See if we can clean them up a little bit. I'll have to see if I can find some ladders, make some ladders up. I think I've got some somewhere. There's only two I've got missing. So but anyway, the star for this evening is definitely that one. Well pleased with the way that's come out. Didn't really have to do much to it really, just give it a good good old clean. So I was going to replace the transfer, because I have got some. I've got them from eBay. If anybody wants to know, they are available on eBay. Well, they were. I don't know whether they still are, but that's where we did get one lot from. But I don't know, maybe we should change it, maybe we shouldn't. I don't know. Maybe if it deteriorates any more, then once it comes off, but for now I think we'll just leave it as it is. But looks like I'm going to have another look at that valve gear, because that looks a bit close. Didn't realise that. I had to do the same with the other side, so I should do that now. But anyway, there you go, it does run, which I'm pretty pleased about. So I'm going to have a look at that now. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.